Hey, Chris here with Never Enough Outdoors. I'm at my property. We're building a house on it. And I was out of town last night. I was in Hiwassee, Georgia at the Georgia Mountain Fair. But someone texted us while we were there and said, hey, are y'all okay? And we live across the street from where I'm at now. And we said, well, we're fine, but we're in Hiwassee. Wow, what's going on? And so they're our neighbors. They live next door, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. And they said we had possibly a tornado, heavy winds, real quick, a lot of trees down. So I'm here now. There's trees down. I got a tree blocking my new driveway. It was over the power lines. They're now fixed. The power company just pulled the line out, spliced it back together and went on, left the trees down. Didn't even cut it. So I'm gonna cut up the tree here. There's a bunch of trees down, nothing major. There's some oak tree limbs down, big oak tree limbs, it's a good firewood. We've got trees down at our house. We've got trees on cars. We've got buildings. The tin roof is just ripped back. It's crazy. The dog went crazy when we got home. But I'm gonna cut up this tree, and I don't know if I'm gonna cut any more today, but I just need to get access so they can keep building my house that I want to move into in a month or so. So let's cut some tree limbs down. Got my steel chainsaw. I've had this thing for 25 or 30 years. We've got a cheap Amazon cover on it where mine broke off one time, but it still works great. The neighbors have a lot of damage. They're building a little house here, and they've got a lot of damage. Tops of trees down, halfway down, probably 20 trees down right next door here, out in his front yard. Let's see if I can get this thing cranked up. Let's see if I get a tow rope. I don't know that I really need this big tow rope, but it's what I've got. I need a shackle. And I'll pull this tree limb out into the pasture or something. We'll just loop this around here. I could cut this up and take a bunch of trips dragging it back and forth. I could probably drag it by hand, but I can also drag it with the truck. We'll leave this tree right here. I thought I saw someone driving slow. Like maybe it was my neighbor. But it's hard to tell. He owns a business. He's got a bunch of trucks, so I never know when it's him or not. There's a frog. Hey, Froggy. Did you lose a house during all this? I just need to get these limbs out of the way. I can deal with them another day. I'm not a fan of playing in the woods when snakes are out, which would be right now. So just clearing the way is good enough for me right now. we'll deal with this later on, maybe this winter or something. Well, thanks for watching. That was a little quick video of me just clearing the driveway off so I can get to my new house we're building. It's about 1,000 feet on up the driveway. So, that's just how easy it is. You could take a chainsaw, cut up your wood, hook something to it, drag it out in the pasture. All is well. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.